Good Wednesday afternoon. Meteorologist Dean Davis from the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. We're recording this around 1:15 p.m. on the 15th of February 2015. 2017, excuse me. That one got me pretty good. Anyway, taking a look at what we're expecting temperature-wise over the next couple of days. Major warm-ups in store for the mid-Atlantic states. As you see, the 40s right now, tumbling down because of the winds. That'll go into overnights, lows in the 20s and 30s. But our daytime highs will stick in the 40s at least through today on Thursday, and then we're going to get warm. How Friday gets along, we're talking close to 60, 65 degrees. And then it cools down at night to about 32, and then we're going to start getting closer to 70 on these days coming up next week. We get a really big warm-up. By Tuesday of next week, highs are going to be near 70. Lows knocking below 40. And then we're just going to rebound every day. Closer and closer to 70 degrees. Before the next cold front and low starts moving. Well, then we get a low pressure system coming up the coastline. But the temperature's going to be in the 50s, and even in the northern New Jersey, it's going to be in the upper 40s. So the chances of actually getting snowfall are very far and in between, unless you get a major cool down prior to this happening, which doesn't look likely here on the DFS. Before the next cold front comes through, Tuesday the 28th. That'll be a strong cold front, so we'll probably have to watch out for some showers and probably some thunderstorms. And once again, another low tries to develop and come up the coast for the beginning of March. So we're taking a look at the model with precipitation on it. And we go towards Friday and Saturday. Not much going on, a couple light showers come in the area for Sunday as the low develops off the coastline, but it's too far south to do anything. It's too warm to do anything. Another low comes out of Mexico. Showers and thunderstorms are going to be likely, with some severe weather likely probably also on Monday. With the low pressure being where it's located, strong southerly low-level jet coming up. I would say there's a good chance of severe weather once again in the Houston area, then Shreveport and areas such as that. Then we get a cold front come through with mostly rain on the 22nd. Next one streams across, some light snow up in New York and Vermont and New Hampshire and Maine as a low pressure develops, moves off the coastline. Next low moves in with two different low pressure systems towards the 25th, one to the south, one to the west. This is going to be a rain event, heavy rain actually, probably event, and maybe even some thunderstorms. And then this low moves in. That's the low we were showing you on the first low. Then we get a cold front come through. We may get some snow behind the system as the system turns cold. February 28th. Next storm comes in, may run into some cold air to start with, which could lead to light snow. This is pretty far off, so we're not going to put much into this. But this is what the model shows before it turns to all rain and then moves away. So, chances of snow through early March are very minimal here in Roanoke, and even in the Delaware Valley, less and less likely as we go along. So, when you do have a chance of snow, hopefully that chance of snow gets you if you enjoy snow. Otherwise, we're going to be seeing for the next week at least 10 days here in Roanoke Valley, 70 degrees and 60s up into the Delaware Valley eventually. So we have to watch and stay warm. Severe weather may happen one or twice during this period, so stay with Live Weather Blogs for all the latest weather information and the Weather Pros. Thanks for watching. Meteorologist Dean Davison.